I'm going to take a minute to give a review on this Crafter's Square diamond painting that I got from the Dollar Tree. It comes with 13 packs of drills, your tray, wax, and a stylus. And this is the little painting. As you can see, it shines, shines, shines. And I'm going to be really honest with you. For $1.50, this is very good quality. The stickiness is very good for the drills. And I think it's super adorable. And it's very budget friendly. So if you're looking for something that's very budget friendly, go check your local Dollar Tree. Now this is only a 6 by 6. It's very small. But, like I said, it has 13 colors. And it is cute as it can be. And it comes together really, really nice. So if you think you'd like something like this, go to your Dollar Tree and pick one up. And again, it is Crafter's Square from Dollar Tree. Super, super cute. I would recommend it. Yes, I would.